Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change AirDrop name on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to change AirDrop name of your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. For this, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go for general and here go for about. In about you will easily get the name, just tap on it and here you can customize it as I'm going to select iPhone 16 Pro and now tap on done, and here you can see I have successfully changed the AirDrop name on my iPhone, and now everyone's want to see your AirDrop name. He will see the iPhone 16 Pro, and now if you want to customize it again, just tap on it and then write anything you want to and then tap on done, and that's how you can easily change your AirDrop name on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.